Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since the 12th of April, Bitcoin has been stable around 84,500, showing strength and consolidation. Right now, we're resting above all major EMAs on the 1-hour chart. The 21, the 50, and the 200. We're also spotting a bearish divergence on the wave trend, which tells me Bitcoin just needs a short breather before attempting another breakout above 86,000. That exact level was tested and rejected on the 13th, and since then, price has been fluctuating indecisively around this resistance. That indecision is clearly visible in the liquidation data, with longs and shorts being wrecked equally. Over the past 24 hours, more than $226 million were liquidated. Longs took around $118 million, and shorts came in just below at $107 million. If we dive into the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see some structural changes. The two long liquidation clusters from yesterday, around 82.3 thousand and 80.7 thousand, have now found more liquidity in between, mostly from traders entering between 50 and 25x leverage. The hottest level now sits around 81.6K, with roughly $380 million in long liquidation leverage building up there. On the flip side, the short pocket around 86.1K is still the hottest spot on the chart, now holding $383 million in short liquidation leverage. That pocket starts forming from 85.7 and stretches all the way to 88,000. Now, if we zoom out to the 1-week liquidation heat map, those two levels become even clearer. 86.1K on the upside and 81.6K on the downside remain the key magnet areas for liquidation-based volatility. In other news, Michael Saylor is back at it again. He posted on X that MicroStrategy has acquired another 3,459 Bitcoin for approximately $285.8 million at an average price of around $82,618 per Bitcoin. That brings their total holdings to 531,644 Bitcoin acquired for roughly $35.9 billion, with an average entry of 67,556. He keeps buying. This time, I gotta say, not a bad entry. I'm stacking too. Are you picking up spot at these levels? Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if this video gave you value. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.